Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat Super Crew 4-wheel drive, stock number Z9756A. Only 36,000 miles in this one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Shadow black in color. You do receive the lifetime powertrain warranty on this F-150. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Rear defrost for excellent visibility, as well as power sliding windows for extra ventilation. 3-piece hard tonneau cover. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Power release tailgate. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. Rear seats flip up for additional cargo space. This Lariat has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized dual moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 37,000 miles. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, very large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, dual zone automatic temperature control, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that's where the backup camera display is with 360 overhead view. Hard keys below for radio, as well as climate, along with heated and cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, power moonroof, sunshade, control, sliding rear window control, and homely transmitter garage door opener. Under the hood, this F-150 is a 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6, 365 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this F-150, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.